Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious avocado cheese toast. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 ripe avocados, your favorite bread, and a cheese that melts well, like cheddar or mozzarella. Don't forget salt, pepper, and maybe some red pepper flakes for a little kick. A toaster or a pan will also be essential for getting that perfect golden crunch. Now let's prepare our star ingredient, the avocado. Take your 2 ripe avocados, slice them in half, and carefully remove the large pit from each. Scoop the vibrant green flesh into a bowl. Using a fork, mash the avocado until it reaches your desired consistency, whether smooth or slightly chunky. Finish by seasoning it simply with a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. With your avocado ready, it's time to prepare the base. Place 2 slices of your favorite bread into a toaster or a hot pan and toast them until they are golden brown and perfectly crisp. Once toasted, spread the delicious mashed avocado evenly across each slice, ensuring a good, thick layer. Finally, generously top the avocado with your chosen cheese, covering the surface completely. For that extra touch, you can place your assembled toast under a broiler for 1 to 2 minutes, just until the cheese is bubbly and perfectly melted. Be sure to watch it closely to prevent burning. Once your cheese is perfectly melted, carefully remove the toast. You can add a sprinkle of red pepper flakes or some fresh cilantro for extra flavor and a pop of color. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade avocado cheese toast. For more great recipes and to read anywhere, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite link in the description, along with other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.